How to add reviews stars under the product name in your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So first, just log into your Shopify admin and go to the apps section and simply go to the app store for Shopify. So click on all recommended apps and Shopify app store. So we're just going to be looking up Judge Me reviews and we should be able to find it right away. So it's judge.me product reviews app. Click on install and click on install one more time. So we're just going to go through the setup here. I'm just going to skip this, but you can just feel free to go through it just so they can be more personalized for you. So first, we just want to enable the app. So click on Enable App Embed, which is going to take you back to your Shopify editor. And we basically just want to toggle on a button and just click on Save. So just make sure this is toggled on and click on Save from the top right corner. Next up, we want to install the review widget. So click on Install Review Widget. So it's just going to be installed for you. All you need to do is just click on save. And again, just go back. And again, just one last time, we simply just want to install the star ratings. And this is going to be the important one for this video. We want to also add it beneath the actual name of the product. So click on that. So by default, it's going to be down here, but we can feel free to drag it and drop it wherever we like. So I'm just going to drag it and move it right underneath the product title like so. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on save from the top right corner. And as you can see now, we have the reviews right underneath the name. And I'm just going to go back to the app. Now here, lastly, we just want to change the colors of the stars and so on. So I'm just going to go ahead and make them the stereotypical yellow. And I'm just going to click on next. And if we just visit our product page and we do actually have any review, it's just going to show up right away underneath the name. And this is pretty much all you need to do in order to achieve this. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.